Hi guys, tonight's topic of discussion is vocabulary, similar in sound and different in meaning. It's very important for any kind of competitive exams. Today's three words are sell, S-E-L-L, S-E-double-L. Sell means dispose of. I want to sell my house. I sell or I will sell my house. Here sell is verb and sale is sell. This house is for sale. Sale. That means here sell is noun. Clear? So SELL sell is verb, SALE sell is noun. This house is for sale. Another two words, SAIL sell. SAIL sell, just follow and you may write them down. SAIL sell. Sell means the canvas cloth that is used in a ship to propel the ship. The wind is just pushing off the sail and the ship is moving on. Clear? SAIL sail. It is actually a canvas or a cloth used in a ship, and when the wind is in favor and the ship is propelled to proceed. Clear? SAIL sell. Sell is verb. For example, just the mariners have sailing on the sea. That means started their voyage on the sea. So I have given you four words. You see that sell, SELL sell, SALE sell, verb and noun, SAIL sell, noun, and SAIL sell, verb. So I have given you two pairs of words. Like, comment, subscribe, please.